Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Tiffany's mom. Today we are going to be making Nigerian's favorite snack, Puffpuff. Before we get going guys, for those of you that subscribe to my channel, thank you, and if you haven't, kindly click on the subscription box below. For this recipe you will need these ingredients. So once you have this, I guess we are good to go. The first thing is to proof our yeast, and that involves adding some water into a small bowl. Add your sugar and your yeast and set aside for it to bloom. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. And the reason I tend to proof the yeast is to ensure the yeast is very much active. So you stir this yeast and set aside for about 5 to 7 minutes. So in a separate bowl, your mixing bowl, sift out your flour. And the reason I sift is to get rid of any form of dead particles in my flour and also to loosen the flour. Then you add your sugar, add your salt and your nutmeg, which is optional. Then you mix this. Make sure you mix it properly. And also add your pepper. Now this part is not for everybody. If you like pepper, you can add this. Then once you add this, then you pour in your proofed yeast into your flour, into your dry ingredients, and gradually add some water. And stir. So what we're looking at here is we want not too thick and not too thin consistency. You need something in between. It's not thick and it's not thin. This is the consistency we're looking at. So then you cover and set aside in one place for it to rise. This should take about 1 hour to 1 hour 20 minutes, depending on your environment. So here's our dough after 1 hour. It has doubled up, looking very nice, and you can see the bubbles in it. So the next thing is to fry, and for this you heat up your oil between low to medium heat and begin to use your spoon to scoop one at a time into the oil. For this I'm using my 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. And you have to constantly regulate the heat. If it's too hot, you have to reduce it. And for those of you that can still stand the stickiness, you can use your fingertips to scoop some dough and drop them into the oil one at a time. constantly try to stir and turn the puff puff so one side doesn't get darker than the other. Once you've achieved that golden brown color, then your puff puff is ready. You're almost there. Keep stirring. Just keep turning and turning and turning. Aha, almost there. Yeah, our puff puff is almost there. Looking good. Ta-da! Beautiful. It's looking so nice. And I bet you guys are going to love it. And here's our finished puff puff. Yummy. Looking so good. If you want more of our video, please kindly subscribe to our channel. And if there's something you'd like us to make and something you'd like us to try out, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.